Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw creator earnings using YouTube Studio, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open YouTube Studio by navigating to studio.youtube.com. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look for the monetization tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the monetization option. Here, you will see your earnings overview. To withdraw your earnings, locate the Payouts section. Click on the Payouts link. Ensure that you have set up your AdSense account. If you haven't, follow the prompts to create or link your AdSense account. Once your AdSense account is linked, check that your payment details are accurate. Review your earnings to confirm that you have reached the payment threshold. You can find this threshold in the AdSense Help Center. If you qualify for a payout, you will see the option to withdraw your earnings. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the withdrawal process. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Finally, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation once your request is processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your payout. That's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw your creator earnings using YouTube Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.